Oh wait, it was all broken. Wait, you can use attendance again. It should work. Sorry. Big sorry. Step into my dark and twisted redeem. Step into my dark and twisted redeems. Oh, hold on, I need to do commercials for 3 minutes so we don't get pre-rolls. But if you know, if you're subbed, then we're hanging out right now. Yeah, sorry. Actually, why did I even run ads today? Like, it's just chilling, so, you know. Just live with the pre-rolls. Dude, how much of our life is like looking at an advertisement? Crazy. What's up, guys? I'm super chilling today. I was doing some stuff. Oh fuck. Yes, yes, okay. We are in. Let's set up. Today's a super chill. I haven't done a stream like this in a minute where we just putz around. I don't have anything planned. Well, I did have something planned, but I was like, I need to work on it a little more. What's up, everybody? Hello, Moda Stuff. Good to have you here. Fran XV, Gioglep, Culver Reese, Tiny Bite, Uxie, Xstar Void, Azure Flash, Hamblasto, Vampire Princess, Young Bloody, MC Bolton, Night Raider, Almighty Lamb, Vampire Princess, Hammy VT, Beaker VT, hello. I realized my mic was really hot when I'm editing my videos, so I'm trying to adjust it, turn it down. 30 seconds till the ads are no longer plaguing us. 30 seconds till the ads no longer plague us. Okay, let me change my model. Okay, and let me download the right stuff. Let me make sure I get the right stuff downloaded. Because I do want to try this. Hands button. Desktop deck hopper. Oh, what the heck? Too many requests? No, I'm trying to download these new Sammy buttons. Oh, I gotta... Hold on, I'm confused. I'm confused. Hello? Okay, hold on. Sorry. Major moves Monday. Let's go. We'd love to hear that. I'd love to hear that. I am major, I'm major fried. Honestly, doing 3 classes in a row. How do teachers do it? They have the easiest job in the world, and yet it's so exhausting. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're gonna do, don't worry. I know I keep saying knives soon. We're gonna do a big day with knives and a lot of stuff. Big things coming. Big things are coming. Yeah, just use attendance to get a knife. Sorry, I can explain the system at some point in the future. Oh, sorry. I'm not tired actually. When I yawn, I have a thing where if I yawn, it means I'm actually super energized. Hold on, I'm setting up a thing in Sammy right now because we might get some interesting. Tech in a minute. Install and extend. Okay, here we go. How's everyone's Monday? Dude, my Monday was actually pretty sick, but it's still the actual series of events of the Monday were pretty awesome. But what is this? What is it? STT? Was that what it is? I say this out. Oh, advanced button. Oh, it's just advanced buttons. It was pretty sick, but like the vibe of the Monday, like fucking ruined all of it. You know what I mean? Like nothing particularly bad happened, but the fact that it was a Monday just ruined all the fucking vibes. So there, that was that's my universe. My universe of stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. That was my to-do list. I want streamer bot open. Turn off my editing thing here. Don't show this project. Discord on the side. Browsers. Oh, and I should ping the Discord that I'm live. Live on Twitch. Hold on, live, just hanging out. I should, here's the content brain speaking, okay? What a show project? No, no. The project, you'll see the project in a minute. Guys, you're gonna see, oh, what is going on? You're gonna see the project soon. Big things are coming. Hello. Can you smoke this knife? You cannot smoke the knife. I am God. Making thumbnails, not a fun time. Okay, so close that. Yeah, if you guys, hold on. Sorry, it's been such a cluster friend. Everything right now is being a cluster friend because I change the overlay like once every day, like twice a day, multiple times a day, and it fucks with everything constantly, and that's my fault. But welcome everybody to today's stream. It's gonna be a chill one. It's gonna be a very chill one. I haven't had a chill one in a while because I think I did 3, like, it kind of feels crazy that to realize I don't need to be listening to text-to-speech right now. It kind of feels crazy like I don't have to be listening to you guys yap in my ear like all the time. I can just chill. I can just fucking stream. Like, wait a second, hold on, wait, this is actually pretty nice. Wait, people can just stream and like, dude, what if I played a game without any TTS? Wait, that's kind of cool. Wait, I'm actually getting kind of excited. Like, what if I actually played a game and there wasn't a little voice in my head that's like, can we get chicken McNuggets today? Oh, when are we going to, can we go to fucking McDonald's? Where's my bug girlfriend? Oh my god, I'm covered in so much bug cum. Whatever. I get it, dude. You guys are just horny for bugs because our fucking pleasure centers are constantly stimulated by being online. Everything you look on the internet is like, does this make you horny? Does this make you horny? Does this make you horny? And it like breaks your fucking brain. I understand. I understand. You saw my ex. Well, let me share my desktop actually. What's up? What's up, everyone? What's up, Blurbs? Hello? Dude, Blurbs, I'm sure everyone has seen the blurb. I'm just gonna reference it because it's the viral tweet of the day. But Blurbs made the Skyrim text-to-speech thing where like chat could take over NPCs and use text-to-speech to talk to them in Skyrim. And you know that shit is viral when it like hit coworker Twitter, you know what I mean? And I don't mean like my actual coworkers. I also mean my actual coworkers. But I think like it hit normal Twitter for sure. So like that's when you know it's popping off. When it's like, hey, when you become like that guy on Twitter, it's like a blessing and a curse, because the blessing is like, okay, they know your work, but the curse is like, you are also the slop for the day. I didn't mean it like that, but it kind of is like, oh yeah, that was that hit the, did you see this cool thing? That hit the sitting with your friend on the couch, just showing each other Twitter pictures and that. Did you see this cool thing today? Did you guys see this today? Lots of IRL people reaching out saying us. Exactly. And I think it was good. I think in hindsight, it was a really good bit because it wasn't Skyrim. There is like, there's only one man in my life that I will let talk to me in meta content words. Like there is only one content creator that I will take unsolicited content creator posting shit from, and that's Andrew Huang. And he actually had a really good video about this, which is like, he has this he has that circle that everyone says like, oh, if you meet the middle of the circle, that's your like Japanese word for like self-fulfillment. But he has that circle for videos, and I actually thought it was really good. And one of the things that he pointed out is like recency, or it's like relatability and recency. I think Skyrim is like forever relatable. It's like a game that everyone has played. It hits like the perfect it hits the perfect target, because first of all, everyone has heard of Skyrim, and it's like everyone jokes about Skyrim, so it has like the shallow level of like, yeah, I know what Skyrim is and I understand what I'm seeing in the stream, so it's funny to me. But then it also hits the people who love Skyrim are still playing Skyrim. Like the people who love Skyrim are like freaks about Skyrim. They are absolute freaks. Mo Dustuff, I'm sorry, you are a Skyrim capital F freak, but I think in the best way possible. You were 100% going to try to mod Oblivion because it's a better game, but so many people told you to do Skyrim. Dude, you are, that's how I know, man. You're compromising your values. You're compromising your gamer values, man. That's when the Oblivion community, that's when the Oblivion or the Elder Scrolls community is gonna look at you and be like, he fucking sold out, man. He modded Skyrim. Of course he modded Skyrim. He did the popular thing. I'm trying to grow the NL part of my brain that is like, that makes up a guy to be mad at. I feel like that's such a valuable skill. But no, that's awesome. The other funny thing is when people were linking me the video, they were linking me because you were telling me like, okay, like some behind the scenes stuff. He would, you know, we were getting hyped up in the DMs. We were like, oh my god, it's popping off. This is so awesome. And you linked me the Dexerio article. And I'm like, oh, that's fucking awesome. But then people were linking me like other articles. They were like linking me the Kotaku article. I'm like, wait, there's coverage that we didn't even anticipate. It's going stratospheric. Because I was like, oh yeah, I heard about this, but wait, it's being covered by someone that I did not see that. I did not see that from. We're Skyrim boards, of course we mod the hell out of it. It's true. True. Yeah, it does escape containment. That's the fun part. And you're like, when's my next fucking hit? That's when it's over for you. And let me share my screen really quick. Oh, I don't need to share my screen. I can just share Sammy, I think. Uh-oh, where is it? Sammy, hello. Hey, hi. I'm just big chilling today. I want to try some stuff that I've been meaning to do for a while. And, you know, I'm just getting around to it. So let's see. Pazuzu, thank you for the 31 months. L:Q, hello. I wish I could queue shoutouts. Okay, so let's do a shoutout. Are you doing the Skyrim stream again tomorrow? Because I think if you are, yeah, you guys should follow. I forgot to mention, I was on the stream today. So you can like input your name into the chat. You have to be subbed or VIP, but you have to like input your name in the chat. You like give an intro text, and then like when you find your NPC, you can talk through it through text to speech. So I got to be like an adventurer today. That was actually pretty funny and cool. I think some coworkers were watching the same time I was doing it, but they didn't realize it was me. At some point tomorrow, yeah. Oh yeah, so you're having champagne problems. Yeah, so I think if you guys want to check it out, there could be a stream tomorrow. We'll see, according to the streamer. We got to give everyone a shout out. We got to give L:Q a shout out after this. You want to be Parthenax or Odavik? I don't know what those words are, and I'm afraid to ask. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna mess around with like I'm actually just gonna read these through with you guys and get hyped about them, and I don't know if I'll actually use them because I want to try something else today too. I just want to hang out and talk. I haven't done that in a while actually. I just want to hang out. It actually feels so good to just hang out and not have text to speech. Like, this is the fucking Pagliacci situation. Pagliacci. It's like, you should watch the streamer. He does really funny stuff with text to speech. I am the streamer where he does the funny stuff with the text to speech. I must always perform. I got it. You know, I have too many big things. Wait, hold on. Help me out with this bit. I just restarted the song because I want it to be chill. Help me out with this bit. Help me out with this bit. Okay. A streamer once said, "Big things coming." And one day, the big things finally arrived. The chat asked him, "Hey streamer, aren't you so happy that the big things finally came?" And the streamer said, "No, I still feel so empty." And then the chat says, "Maybe the big things were..." Yeah, I don't know where... You know, there's something there. There's something there. There's something there. Help me figure this out. I'll say no to. Welcome, Number One Flamed. Nice name, Number One Flamed EUS. That's a good name. But streamer, I am the big thing. I want it to be like a story where it's not about the big things arriving, but it's like about the process of anticipation. It's about like the process of anticipation and like the constant...
I've never seen a 113 and I never fucking
need
will.
Not that it's like the point of big things coming is not that the big things always arrive, but it's like you're in a constant state of becoming, right? And that is the purpose of big things.
I've never seen a 113.
A local VT and Eric Playspace, thank you for the raids. Welcome. Big swag. Shout out L:Q. Shout out buddies. Scooby-Doo's welcome. Yeah, guys, today I'm just chilling. I'm just chatting. We've been doing a lot of I've been trying to edit pretty quickly. Today I didn't get to any, but I'm gonna edit the, if you were here for yesterday's Costco card redeem class, I'm gonna edit and get that up tomorrow. I'm planning to get it up tomorrow. I will say it's been kind of a slog trying to edit because I'm not good at it, but I feel like I'm getting it. I'm getting better. It's fun, but I have not gotten over the part where it's like, man, it feels great to make a thumbnail. I fucking hate that part still. So I need to like kind of content brain myself a little bit. I think my current thumbnail is fine. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it right now because I'm talking about meta content shit, and that shit sucks. I'm stopping. I'm like, I'm feeling the fucking brain worm in my head like come out and be like, no, talk about this because this is your life now. But no, I'm gonna stop it there because it's not interesting. It's not interesting or cool. Okay, let's pull up the Sammy button. Thumbnails are fun. I need you know what? I need to get like not Photoshop. I need to get Affinity Photo. I think if I get an Affinity Photo, it will fix my life. Circadiums, I'm doing good. I'm chilling today. I'm just checking out the new Sammy. This is the new extension by Christina K, who makes a lot of really good, originally a Sammy developer, but now makes really good extensions for Sammy. I actually use her TTS extension and her Discord extension. So I want to check out these. I'm going to go through these buttons one by one because this is what gets me hype and hopefully you get excited. Okay. So I was excited looking at this because there are a few buttons here that actually would make my life so much easier. Okay, open the guide. Whoa, okay, well, there's a guide. Let me see if I can do this. Not found. Wait a second. Wait a second. Hold on, the guide is not found. Like, it doesn't exist. Like, the website doesn't exist. Okay. Okay, let's just check out one button by button. So there's get all running buttons. That's something that sounds really good. What does it return? So save variable, hold on. Oh, it saves it as an array. Oh, okay. Oh, it needs to be bridged. Interesting. Whoa, it's a bridge function. Okay. Okay, wow. That's neat. Get all block buttons. I don't need that. I don't think I need that. Get all buttons by trigger type. Oh, shit. So that means if I have like 5... Okay, so this means... Whoa. So if I have like 5 sub buttons going at the same time, I can get information about them. Interesting. Okay. I don't know an application for that yet, but that's interesting. This is the one. This is the one that I really, really want. Check if running button. Oh my god, I need this so bad. I need this so bad. So the way my TTS works right now is I keep a separate counter. I have a very, very fucked up workaround for TTS. So it keeps the queue moving and it grabs the most recent message. You're confused what's happening? I'm looking at these new Sammy buttons, and Sammy is the program I use to do all my fancy fun redeems. I have them all off right now because it's just been crazy, so I'm just trying to chill a little bit. I guess you can see the Costco redeem is happening right now. And so these are new functions that they added to, or someone added as an extension to the program. And as a kind of big Sammy nerd, this stuff can really help out, especially since, hold on, look at this. This is my text-to-speech button. Like, these are all the text-to-speech things I've added over time to make it work exactly the way I want. And it's fucked. It's crazy. It's insane. Okay, it's crazy. I have these extra buttons here that like keep a counter of who's talking and who's not talking. And this is also not good. Like the way that works is very messed up. So I'm getting excited because these advanced button functions are a godsend. Like, check if the button is running. I really need that because it's like if the TTS button is still running, This lets me like easily skip it, which is awesome. Check if block button. I don't ever block buttons, so I don't think I need that. Check if queued button. That sounds really good. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, queued amount. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, this could actually change the game for me. Because the way my TTS works, okay, I'm gonna explain it orally, how my TTS works, and you're gonna realize why it sounds like an insane person. So the way the TTS works is, let's say 4 people type at the same time. No, let's say 5 people type at the same time. It's gonna queue up the first 3, for example, and the other 4, or the other 2, it's gonna say like, don't read these out loud, right? It's gonna be like, okay, the first 3, we're gonna read this out loud, but the last 2, no, because we need to get through the first 3 first, right? And the bad side is it starts skipping people's messages, but the good thing is that it like, you know, and the good thing is that it keeps it flowing and it keeps it as the most recent message. But I have a really crazy workaround for that. So every time a new TTS button goes into the queue, it adds 1 to like a queue counter that I have, and then it keeps adding a number to like keep track of how many buttons are in the queue, and it subtracts numbers every time the button is finished and goes out of the queue. And so I have like a separate counter to just check all of this stuff. But instead of doing that really complicated workaround, I could just use this button to check how many versions of the button are in the queue. Like that is way easier than this like other workaround I have going, which is crazy. God, maybe I'll try that out. No, but then I have to listen to TTS. Okay, I don't want to also like fuck with what's working right now. I don't like, the thing is I have an insane monster of crap working. Like this is an insane monster of a button, but it works. So like I'm scared of like quote unquote optimizing it. And there's some other stuff that yeah, could be tough. Run random deck button. This is cool. I could have like a button full of random redeems and this can randomly select from it. That is great. That's actually really nice. How does this work? Select from drop down. Oh, okay. From the deck. Oh, that's cool. Okay. All my decks exclude buttons. Oh. That's cool. That's cool. Copy the button, leave it back as backup. Yeah, I would probably just start a new deck entirely and just like rebuild it from the ground up, to be honest. Random group button. Whoa! Ooh. Dude, this has some potential. Okay, so there's a better way to randomize buttons now because I have a workaround to randomize buttons. It's not too hard, it's not too bad, but this is this is good. Like for my, here, let me give you an example here. For my Helldivers redeem, basically it's like, oh, hold on, this isn't a good example. Okay, here's one. This is like a redeem where like you raise a Peepo hand, but it can be one of 3 hands. So I do a random number generator between 1 and 3. And if the number is 1, if the number is 2, or if the number is 3, it runs like 1 of 3 commands, which is fine. You know, like this works, this is totally fine. But like, imagine I didn't have to do that. It's just like 1 line of code. And then I just have to fill up like this entire deck with random buttons, and then it'll just automatically work for me. The random numbers built in the thing. Yeah, it is. It is. There's a bunch of like nice math stuff that Sammy lets you do. Yeah, button information. Okay, I don't need that. That could be useful in the future because that seems neat. Unblock all buttons. I don't really understand this. I don't really know what block buttons are, to be honest. Get ID, deck name, persistent. Okay. Do not modify in any way. What are you hiding? What is this? Unhide. Okay, so check if button running. Neat. Okay, so the ones that are really game changing for me is check if running button and check if queue button. Those are the ones that I'm really into that. Okay. I don't know if I'll do any work on that today though. I'm trying to think what I could do. What would be a version of this? What could be a fun little small project for this? Check if it's queued. I guess I could do like a really simple TTS. Button ID. Okay, you know what? Let's try that. Let's try that. New deck. You can't stop it. Yeah. I can't help myself. Okay, get chat message. Okay, let's go. Let's do a simple TTS. Add web TTS and then just like message. Oh wait. Hold on. Pull. Wow, this is great when I don't have to explain what I'm doing. I can just be like, pull data. Let's get this. Big experiment hours. Ooh. Message. Save it as chat message. Okay, and let's do Microsoft Anna.
Undefined.
Can you guys hear that? You can hear that, right?
Undefined.
Perfect. Okay.
Undefined. Undefined. Undefined.
Wait, what the heck?
Undefined. Undefined. Undefined.
Oh, hold on.
Undefined. Undefined.
Okay, so hold on. Advanced.
I knew he couldn't handle not hearing TTS.
No.
I did want to ask you how to code in a timeout command for channel points.
Oh my god.
Been headbutting against it, but I'm also dumb. Whack. LUL.
Oh, if you want to do a timeout command, I think you can just put in a chat message. So hold on, let me
Pip.
hold on, just turn this off.
He loves to hear us. He missed the sound of our charming voices.
So who asked that?
Something bug come.
The Duke of Ook. I would use send. So I know you might be trying to use the moderator actions, but I think if you use send chat message and use like default shindigs, or sorry, use your channel, I think this can like. I think this could work. Right, let's test this. Timeout. Hold on. Trigger pull data. Chat. Message. User. No. Chat message username. Okay, chat user. Hold on. What the? Chat user. So chat user. Okay, so I think now if you type, it will like time out whoever types for 1 second. Let's try that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, actually it's timing. Oh, that's so fucking funny. Okay, so that works. That works. Hold on. Oh my god. Wait a second. Wait a minute. That is funny. Wait, hold on, let me show you guys. Let me show you what it looks like on my screen. Okay, so if I activate this button... Okay, look, guys. If I activate this button, and it's going to type... It's going to slash timeout anyone... It's going to slash timeout anyone who chats for 1 second. Okay? I'm going to activate this button right now. All right, so if you type, oh my god, it's a massacre! It's a massacre! There's blood everywhere! This looks so messed up on my screen. Are you seeing this? Okay, wait, oh my god, there's some new chatters getting caught in the crossfire. Okay, I stopped. What's happening? I set a thing to I accidentally set a thing that would time out people for 1 second. That is amazing. For whoever chatted. Okay, so who asked that question? The Duke of Ook? You were gonna use the Sam built-in Sammy Twitch timeout thing? Yeah, it's I marked that for clipping. Oh, I guess Twitch timeout. Yeah. I guess this also works. Oh, you can put a reason there too. Yeah, either works, I guess. I haven't tried this one. But I think that the point I'm trying to make, the point I'm trying to make is you can just do it as a chat message too. You don't know how this one works. It looks like the same. Like I would put here as chat user, set duration to 1, and then reason stinky, right? And then if I just turn this on again, it will auto timeout users who just chat. Yep, there you go. Oh, there you guys go. There you guys go. It's over for you. If you chat, you're gone. Wait, Crazy Kitty, what's happening? Wait, how did you live? Okay, we're so back. Maybe because it was sent through Godot? Oh shit, it's not saving. Okay. Let's go. Okay, sorry to everybody who experienced that. Automated with channel points or use to time each other out. Okay, so let's... Here, I'm building it live. So if you want to automate it with channel points... Okay, let's... let me create a new redeem here. Okay, I'm gonna call it nuke or like timeout user. And then require user to enter text. And then the cost, let's say, is 1. And then create, yeah, user input text. Edit trigger. Redeem, hold on, channel point redeem. Where is it? Timeout. There we go. Timeout user. Require user input. Save. Not yet chat. Timeout. I think it's chat message. It would be chat message here because it's the redeem message. And then that should work. So if I use timeout user, you can't time me out. Oh, that's fucked up. It actually works. Sorry, Moda stuff. That's messed up. You guys! This... This is actual PvP! This is actual PvP. I guess I should send a message, too. So it'll be like... Chat... Message... has been timed out, lol. And then we'll do that. Yeah, so you would also want to add You would also want to add like an alert message through your user account. Wow, you guys are vicious. How much of the code is needed? I mean, you can screenshot this if you want. Like, clip this, screenshot this, take the code. It's pretty straightforward. You just want to make sure the trigger is set up correctly. Oh, whoops. Hooligans. You want to make sure the trigger is set up so it's user input required is checked. And then it's the same. The code is exactly the same. Can you survive with the bottom? Yeah, you can do the bottom line. You can put your reason in the chat. Yeah, I could also make it so you can put reasons in the redeem, but I'm already distracted. Okay, so let's get back to what we were doing. But that's fun. That's a feature idea. Let's see. So I was looking for advanced buttons. Get queued buttons. Check queue button. No. Get one check. Thank you for the 200 bits. Show up to chat tomorrow. Don't show up to chat tomorrow. Don't show up to chat tomorrow. No. Mods are losing a source. Wait, Nugbuns, you're not a mod? Wait, what the heck? I thought, wait, aren't you a mod? Did you lose your mod when you get timed out? That's so funny. Wait, can I just not mod you here? There's no button that do this. Okay. That's so funny. Okay, sorry, so let me get back to this chat thing, because I was testing this. Check if, get all running, check if queued button, get all running buttons. I guess it's check if queued button. And this is ID 732. Okay, let's try. Hit settings, let's say allow queue. Oh, oops.
Undefined.
Oh, hold on. So, I want to take this command here, which is like wait until TTS speaking. It is 0 and 1. Say 6.
Undefined.
Oh my god!
Undefined.
Wait! I'm actually pointing at my screen right now. I'm actually pointing at my. It actually. Oh my. Guys! It actually does the counter for me. It actually counts how many fucking buttons are in queue. Wait. Wait, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, God. I'm so happy. Guys, look what we can do. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. If, oh my god, if the Q count, oh my god. If the buttons in Q count, oh my god, is under 3, then play. Hold on, do this, do this. Then if this, then that. Here, 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 else nothing. So if I turn on TTS, then it will only play the most, actually I'll just do the most recent one. The most recent, it will just play the most recent it'll play the most recent TTS without having to do a really, this might have simplified, this might have turned this whole button, this might have turned like all this ugly counter stuff here. This might have turned this whole button into this button. Okay, let her rip. All right, guys. Now, like, spam the chat a ton.
Rip. He had a breakthrough. Let's go, gamers. Timeout shindigs. Nice.
Oh!
W.
Oh my god!
Joel.
Oh my god!
If his computer crashes, we know he became too powerful.
Oh my god!
Undefined.
Guys, it's actually
Let's
taking
fucking go,
only the most
gamers.
recent messages.
There is nothing chill about today's stream. Yippee.
Let's fucking
Let's
go,
go.
dude.
Yeah. The sleigh. Something sex bug's egg. It doesn't break. Rycrow 1 Poga. Raid Shadow Legend. Are these the big things I was
Dude.
promised?
The big
brain.
things are here.
Undefined hello from web. Next caller, you're on frog time. Let's go. The big things came.
The big things are came,
Undefined
dude.
things coming.
Oh my god, dude, this
Now
is
can we
so
get our eggs?
huge.
Timing the market, not time in the market. Let's go.
Let's go.
The
So
large entities have
true.
arrived. Clap, good job. More egg. Finally, we can meet chat.
Guys, big
This
things
stream
are
is
here.
brought to you by
Big
Shin's
things are
beautiful
here.
Big brain. Undefined.
Big things are here.
Hello from web. Test. Greetings from Germany. We can now has talk, yes.
That is
Big
actually
things
huge.
came.
Shout outs to Ziggy for this picture.
Actually huge.
Shout outs to Ziggy for this picture. Because that feel when I say big things are coming and it's like a very small code optimization for Sammy. Dude, it's gonna make it so much easier to actually make interesting TTS. Oh my god, this actually kind of changes everything. Okay, the hard part though is like the hard part is you know, the complicated part is actually still the swapping between the 3 models and making sure only one talks at a time. That actually is still a little complicated, but you know, but we made it. I mean, that's fine. Like that will always be complicated. I was trying to think of a way to simplify it, like, because people keep asking me how do I do the TTS with the 3 frogs, and I honestly have been trying to think of a simpler way to do it. And if I even break it down to its bare essentials, like if I redid it in Godot, it still is kind of a complicated situation. Like the logic, I can walk you through it. Like orally, it's one message comes in, see who said that message, see what frog they were assigned to, and then that's not the hard part. And then make that one frog speak with TTS. But in order to do that, you have to like tell the other 2 frogs not to animate. And to do that, you have to swap out their animation frames for like idle state. So you have to like swap out the animated reactive image with like a static image, and then like that gets kind of complicated, especially in OBS, because if you're turning on and off sources really quickly, you're gonna see a flicker. So the way that I handle it, I actually add here, let me show you. This is how I handle it. Like instead of actually turning on and off the frogs, so like, as you can see here, like I have two of the same, actually no. I have two sources here, but I don't switch them on and off, right? I actually have a filter that like says opacity 0, right? And I guess if I did that, he needs to be over here for some reason. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I have this filter that I turn on and off because like that's the best way to do it compared to like if I turned on the actual source on and off, like it has a weird flicker. I can't really show it right now, but like yeah, it's like not good. Anyway, that's like, yeah, that's why it gets extra complicated. Yes. Rude Ginkgo and Witch Adora, thank you for following. This stream is not chill at all. Wait, can we take this further? Okay, so what can we use this for? So now we know. I mean, now we can kind of make a laugh track. Don't dig too deep. Are you telling me not to come to school tomorrow? Where's my here? This one. Whichever, thank you so much. Thank you. Today's a very chill day. Sometimes I'm like, oh man, I should really do something up for today's stream, but we've been grinding so many classroom streams that I need a day to chill and just like explore. You know, a lot of the magic, a lot of the stuff that happens here is, you know, just messing around with new tools, and so I need to make time to do that. So that's what we're doing today. So if you want to hang out and listen to the yap, that's what's going on right now. Was the red, yellow, green card thing something you're playing with costume? I didn't actually really mean that. I'm not actually going to make a redeem like that. That would be too crazy, I think. Okay, laugh track, yes. Oh my god. Hold on a second, hold on. Copy this. Paste this. Can I make like a real-time laugh track with the chat now? Small friend, hello. Welcome to the stream. If you came here from Twitter, today's a very chill stream. Nothing too crazy going on. I'm just messing around with the Sammy, which is the tool I use for my redeems. An extension developer dropped some really helpful buttons, and I just want to hang out and yap and check it out. We're actually unlocking some fucking crazy tech with this. And so my nerd brain is kind of freaking out. Okay, guys, hold on. You can help me test this. So now, depending on how fast you guys are typing, it might play a different laugh track. Hold on. Wait! Guys, I just rolled away from my desk because I'm having another fucking breakthrough right now. I'm having another fucking breakthrough. I'm having another fucking brain blast. This lets us measure chat velocity super easily. This is letting us measure chat velocity super easily. Right? Because at any point in time, if you check how many buttons are running and divide that by like an arbitrary frame of time, dude, chat over time, that's chat velocity. That's just physics. That's just content physics, right? That's basic content physics. Hold on. So if I do, hold on. ADVBT, okay, get, check running button, okay, ID 733, run count. Okay, so I want to pause this. Let's do if statements. Okay, so if run count is equal to 1, play this. Wait a sec. Can I fucking stack these? Let them cook. Let them cook. Let them cook. So depending on how fast chat velocity is, depending how fast chat velocity is, it'll play like different stacks of laugh tracks. Stream Deck says updates available, like on the side here. Don't make me laugh. Don't fucking make me laugh, dude. My fucking Stream Deck. Run count, let's say over 5. This can actually get kind of crazy because I should probably cap it. Is my avatar based on World Trigger? I don't know what World Trigger is. It's based on Nichijou and similar animes like Nichijou. A lot of people have been asking me, like, is your avatar based on Nichijou? And I kind of want to dig up the email where I first emailed Narrator, and like in the email I said Nichijou. It's like very clear. Okay, guys, let's edit this trigger, add chat, and now it should stack the chat messages. I don't know what World Trigger is. I'll have to look that up. Okay. Maybe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I see the issue. Okay, so let's say wait. I guess wait for timeout because we can't wait till the button ends. So let's say like 500 milliseconds. So yeah, this would be cooldown. Yep. My movable breast had 3 niches. Yeah, true. It's stuck at 1. Interesting. Oh, because they're not running. They're not queued. Okay, so I should be queue count. Okay, so this makes it a little more complicated, I think, but we're getting somewhere. Okay, try now. Okay, you know, on second thought, you know, on second thought, there probably is a more elegant way to do that. That there's probably a better way. It's close. I think now that I think that through, you know, I don't think that it's not the fault of the button, it's just the design of the code. The design of how that would work is not as easy as I thought it would be. We need the guy who whistles out the... Yeah, it would have to like chain, it would have to like actually wait for a previous one to finish and then start a new one. Like, I think stacking them doesn't make any sense now that I think about it, because they're the same. You have to randomize them. You can't stack them. So I had it right the first time with my gross implementation. Okay. I mean, I mean, we're learning. That's good. Sometimes I have an idea for a button, and when I actually do it, it gets fucked. Run random group button. Okay, I don't think you can do that. Get block buttons, run random deck button. I think we've done mostly everything. What is this? Oh, that was a previous redeem that we had for a timeout user. That we were testing like a Duke of Ooks, the Duke of Ooks question, or what was it? Redeem, sorry. Where you can use channel points to time out a user. Hard time coming with ideas. It's a muscle. Like, that's actually a thing I learned recently, which is I love killing people and destroying cultures for channel. In Minecraft. It is a muscle. It is a muscle. Like, try like, actually you kind of have to sit down and like work on it. So like I think it's a misconception to think you are like having ideas all the time, like just sparks of inspiration. You kind of have to like practice doing it. Like, sit down and be like, all I'm doing for the next 10 minutes is having ideas, and then like over time it gets better. And then it's an even bigger loop to be like having the idea, doing it, and then testing it and see if people like it. And that's like a bigger loop, and that's also a different muscle in itself. But since it's a broadcaster message, it will ban mods as well. Phantom Jag, you're very smart. I accidentally unmodded a lot of people while testing that. So, yeah. This music is good. What is it? Oh, it's the Gran Turismo playlist. I like it. Trying to make a fake gacha game where a penguin fishes up random things, can add 800 images. Oh man, yeah, like I used to have, you know, the knife thing that you see in my stream? Right now it's run through a web server. Shoutouts to Chandy Man for setting up that web server, where it like, the web server just handles like showing you the knife and everything, or like it sends me the data back to show the knife. But I used to have it running all on Sammy, and that was kind of a nightmare. Like, let me see if I can find the old logic for that. I think this might be it. Nope. This one maybe? No, this is for the server. This one? Yeah, it would like pull in. I had a huge list of knives, which I would update like the file name individually, and they would like parse that out. It still is kind of fucked. Was it laggy? It was not laggy, it was just really hard to maintain. And so like actually having a black box web server deal with it was really helpful.
I've never seen a 113, and I never.
Yo, Diggity, thank you for the raid. Welcome. Redeem lets users fish random PNGs out of lake or pond. Someone does that. What's his? Why am I blanking? Basil Wolf has something like that. I remember seeing a video that had something like that. And there's also a fishing game. Here's my actual take on collectibles. I think if I didn't have my website, I would have ended my collectible gimmick. Oh wait, where are the knives? You can't see them. What the heck? Because it was just getting so insane to maintain. Here. Oh, sorry, right there. Right there, yeah. Diggity, thank you for the raid. And Pringy Geek, thank you for signing in. Yeah, because it was just getting too crazy, right? And like I think it's like a fun little thing. But having the website makes it so much easier. Like to do everything that I wanted to do with it, which is like give everyone a give everyone a collection. You can like equip it. Like doing it in Sammy would have been insane. But doing it in with the website is awesome. Shindaggers.io, yes. So yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It's one of those ideas that you're like, oh, this sounds fun to do, and then when you do it, you realize you got to keep the bit going for a very long time. I'm very thankful my friend helped me set up a website for it. You only gamble, I'll get you that. Oh, because you already used your 3 attendances. But if you already use them and you don't see this image, the website still saves it. Like, the website is like the source of truth for everything, and like this is just the front end rendering. It doesn't really matter. This is just for you to know that you got it. You love it, so it tracks everyone's stuff, so you eventually collect 5 pieces of Exodia. Yeah. You can do that. You can have Sammy write to a CSV, and that's how you can track everyone's stuff. But again, you're going to like insano territory. Keep saying user input error. Oh, interesting. Not sure why. Okay, so that was a fun little... I feel like we got things done. That's a fun little detour. I do have something else I want to try. Could be a hand cam, could be not. I don't know if I don't know if you've ever seen my collectible system. It's done entirely through CSV, and any changes to the CSV it uploads to Dropbox to display on a website. That is really smart to have it upload to Dropbox. I had it on Google Sheets because that was the only way I understood how to read it through Sammy, because I tried to learn how to read CSVs through Sammy, and I just couldn't. I was like, at that point, I think my brain was fried. I could redo that, but yeah, you could do it all through Sammy. That's totally possible. I mean, here's the other thing that I was thinking about, which was to use like this the command prompt feature, or like the script feature. Oh, hold on, what was it? Yeah, use the command line feature and run like an actual database. It's like run a SQLite database and just update it through that. Because I would understand how to do that. Like doing it through the CSV was kind of difficult for me, because I didn't take the time to learn how to read it, to read CSVs through Sammy. Like I know the commands, but like grabbing the actual row and column, etc. was a little tough. Soham, welcome. This is Sammy. This is the app that I use to like make all my interactive stuff. And right now, what I'm doing is I'm just playing around with it. I'm just checking out a few new buttons that came out as an extension by Christina K. And we just finished that actually, so they were good buttons. So that's it. I'm just talking today. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I mean, dude, Landy, if you didn't check out the Q button, oh my god, this one is, I don't know, this one changed my life. Q, but like checking the Q count for, I think you remember I came into the Sammy Discord asking for this exact thing. I was like, is there a way to check how many buttons of the same button are in the queue? And it's like, oh, not yet. And then this came out. And I'm like, Pog? Pogging? Actual pogging? Actual pogging? And I had all this. Yeah, now I can simplify this a little bit. Yeah, actual Poggerino. Just have a variable count somewhere in another button and clear it when the button is done running. I mean, yeah, I did that. But I did it in a fucked up way. I mean, I did it because this button already had to like host so many, like it works. So right now it works, right? But because this button has so many like extra tidbits that that needs to run alongside from playing the TTS, it became hard to like read every part where I had to like destroy the button. Like basically I had multiple parts where it could exit and subtract from the button, and it was like I had to find every single versions of that, every single line of that, and make sure it was running correctly. Otherwise it'd be hard to find. It would break basically. Okay, I'm gonna try, I guess I'm gonna start my other project. Or, Alright, no, fuck it, I'll do it. Okay, let's see if this turns on. Oh, it's on. Okay, great. Need USB-C. And, you know what? I'm not gonna risk it right now. But, I have a hand cam set up that I don't have completely set up right now, but let me show you a picture of, what I have on my desk. Yeah, I didn't think this through to set up my hand cam. Okay, so I have, wow, it just like dragged the whole fucking page in. That's awesome. I have one of these guys on my desk right now. And, how do I explain this? It's like a way to control like beeps and boops and like little beats on the computer. And like, yeah, I could, you can like punch in different notes. It's not a soundboard because, okay, imagine on the blue side there's like a cursor that like runs left to right, right? So that's like its own little beat. And then on the bottom side, that's the keyboard, right? And so this is like kind of a fun way to like to make some music like with hardware. Like you can actually like touch something and it'll play. Well, let's see if this works. Yeah, so here, let me show you here. And turn off the music. Actually, let me pull up a video. I should have just set up my webcam, but I don't want to do it right now.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Okay, right here. So oh, we can't see, okay. See how the light is moving left to right? That's like, you can activate different notes as the cursor moves from left to right. And then you can like switch to different tracks so you get different sounds. And so so this is like a fun way I think I've always wanted to set up so I can like actually press a button and music comes out on the screen instead of clicking. But also, I could also hook up those MIDI responses to OBS, and so yeah, I could like live effect stuff. So I've always wanted to try it. Oh god, hold on. Maybe if I did this. Hold on, and let me do maybe scale. Wait, hold on. I'll explain what I'm doing in a minute. Transpose. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. That's very loud, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, that's neat. Oh, okay. What's this? Okay, I don't want it to be that. Ah. Okay. So I need this to be formatted in a certain way. Okay, stop that. How do I kick TL? Snare Jethro. Okay, so maybe if let me try to make my own instrument here. From rack kick TL. Is that it? Kick TL. There we go. Actually, hold on. Kick bricks. Kick bricks. I like that sound. Snare room, I think. And then what was the other one? I had closed. I'm burial. What is I'm just gonna expose my whole ass here. What is the burial? What is I know burial is like an influential thing, but like what was that controversy with like some guy named DJ Seinfeld made like a burial remix, and then like people were like, this is gross or something? I was very confused. Well, I like that sound. Yeah, like music Twitter, like music Twitter confuses me. People got mad because it sounded commercial. Yeah, music Twitter like completely. I don't understand it. It's not my scene. Okay, I think this works. Okay, so oh, hold on. Can I copy? Okay, stop this. Okay, no, now I want to add it to scale because I want to transpose what's coming in because it's not coming in. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, and then can I, hold on, I'm like turning knobs, so I want to see like, oh, I have to stop this. Okay, so if I change the tempo, will it change the tempo in Ableton? It will not do that, okay. It's its own thing. There's a comment that says gentrified burial. Wait, there's like a new trend going on with pop songs, right? There's like a new trend going on with pop songs that is concerning, where they just take the fucking, they take the whole thing and like, oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so that won't do anything. Oh no, I'm turning knobs. That won't do anything. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so that's interesting. So that's wait, is it all channels? Channel 10. Okay, so now I want this one to be, let's say it's, what do I want this to be? Make it an Ableton operator, maybe. Yeah, operator. Like no. A bass. Oh, not operator. No. Oh, bro, that's brutal. What are we doing right now? I'm indulging in this little music project I've been trying to do. So it's not very like channel point interactive, but I can, here, let me show you. I have this little device on my desk and I have it hooked up to this thing. And so like, if I get it synced up, it will be a nice way for me to like have a, like a little analog controller while I make music on stream. And I'm trying to find this one. Little 808 sound. Good. Oh. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, that sounds good. Huh, okay, so okay, that's a problem. Actually, hold on. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so if that works, now I can add this guy here, which will be channel 2. I really should have set up my hand cam for this. I'm like a little paranoid of doing that though, because it's I don't have my desk all. Okay, that's fine. That'll be an after stream situation. Okay, and so now let's get like oh, you know, no EP, a piano, electric piano. No, let's get like a Korg M1 piano. Not like that, like an electric piano. Shouldn't it be under this one? Or would it be under synth poly? What? Oh, keyboard. Yes, okay. So this one is channel 2. Okay, so let's try this. So if I put in... and copy this. Redeem to let a chatter play single random piano. We can do that. That's not hard. Would that be similar to the cowbell? Yeah, it would be. Connecting to your Zoom call? Oh my god, that feels terrible. That feels terrible to hear. Okay, this works. I think I can't do any more on stream without connecting the hand cam to make it interesting. So I'm gonna save this template actually and just all this, hold on. I'll save this as stream sessions. This is circuit template. I just wanted to get the template up working because then the rest will come easy. Let me do now that that's over with, let's just have a chatter. Here, let me show you. I have something like that. I think this one is it. Uh-oh. I think this one is it. Wait, what channel is it playing? Oh, Loop Mini. Do I have Loop Mini on? Should have it on. But this one is not working. Can play. Oh, if can play equals 1, enable play, enable here. Yeah, so look, if you if I enable this to chat message, right, and you guys start chatting, it will actually play a note because I do have a button already set up. Yeah, see? It's playing. No, not, oh, you can, yeah, wait, why? How can you redeem cowbell? Oh, okay. I see what I did. Yeah, so that is set up and working. Yeah, that's all set up. That's all set up and working. Okay, that's good. All right, that's good. That's good to know for a future state. That's good to know for a future state. I'm down to just mess around with some fun little tunes. Okay, if you guys are down, I'm down. Because I don't really have anything else to. I mean, I'm just doing what I wanted to do. So let me actually start a new project though. Song time. Yeah, song time. We're gonna have something interesting to do on Wednesday. Big things coming. I'm saying it right now. Big things coming on Wednesday. Actually, you guys need to help me figure out a. Let me play some songs. You guys need to help me figure out this bit I'm trying to do. Okay. Help me figure out this bit I'm trying to do. The streamer says big things coming. And one day the big things already came. Hold on. The streamer says big things coming, and they say, chat, when the big things are here, I'll finally be happy. And then one day, and then the chat says, streamer, today are you happy? And then the streamer says, no, the big things aren't here yet. And then the next day the streamer streams and chat, it says, streamer, are you happy? And the streamer says, no, the big things have not come. And then one day the big things finally come. And then the chat asks the streamer, streamer, are you happy? And then he says, no, I'm still not happy, even though the big things are here. And then, like, I don't know where to take it from there. It sounds like a church sermon you sat through once. Good. Thanks for the prime. I don't think it's a prime thing. Here, actually, let me show you what I was trying to do. I know, like, that was a little boring, but this is it. Yeah, so this lets you, like, punch in and, like, use different knobs for
The sequencer can also be programmed step by step, so you can press and hold a step and add a note or an action to it. We can demonstrate this on a different drum track and add another layer.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, it lets you, like, you know, push in different notes, punch in different notes, and, like, change the knobs for, like, different sound effects and stuff. And so I want to, you can hook it, it can make sound on its own, but I want to hook it up to this Ableton so it has access to more sounds. And in that way we could, like, do a live little session together, but that might take more time. Don't mind me just testing some Python related. Okay, sure. Big things are always coming. They can never be fully here. Yes, exactly. If big things are here, they're no longer big things. They're just here. So what I will do is I'm going to play around with some things, and I guess I'll explain to you what I'm doing because hopefully you find it interesting. So this is a little drum thing. Ooh, very loud. Oh my god, my thing's still hooked up. Hold on. Unplug you. The streamer starts the stream, immediately combusts, and the stream ends. Or the streamer has combusted. I like this pen note because big things are always coming. They can never be fully here. Exactly. Okay. What other DAWs do I use besides Ableton? I don't use any DAWs besides Ableton. I don't know about that drum one, so I'm going to keep that there. I want to play around with this VST because I got a while ago and I haven't really spent time with it. But this has a lot of nice retro 90s sounds. Like a motion synth. These are fun. Here, let me play a little pad here. I only use Ableton. I like Ableton a lot. I like 12's new sounds and devices. I hate the folder structure. I hate the folder structure so much. Uh, that's crazy sound. Yeah, this is definitely like a 95 jungle. Gonna see like this. Whoa, why is it so? Why is it? Shouldn't this redeem that lets chatter play a directional spooky sound that only the streamer can hear? That would be kind of funny. Why is this? Does the think brick have a little guy in the middle? Yeah, but doesn't this am I misremembering, or does this?
I think you better recognize. I think you better recognize.
What the? Whoa, wait.
Recognize. I think you better recognize. I think you better recognize.
What the heck? Okay. I have another sample pack that's like this 2000s rip. I think it's like a rip from like some old 2000 sample pack. Singing Jackie, what's this?
The ones you love.
Damn, that's crazy.
Keep the ones you love close by. Keep the ones you...
Yeah, it would like you would have a song that goes like
Keep the ones you... Keep the ones you...
there would be a crazy little delay. And then there would be a little nice little bass friend here. I'm gonna copy this in. Lets me split me into split me as mitosis. Why is there a double play? so strange. This song is committing mitosis. That like this, like this, like this. I'm locked in, sorry, I'm locked in. You cut breaks for a living. Well, if you do that, I would love your advice. Yeah, feel free to backseat. So if I may add a little advice, sample the intro of Killing Moon Akuma's theme from Third Strike as a roll-up on the last bar of each build. It adds so much pressure. Ooh, okay, I don't think I'll do it right now, but I'm definitely gonna remember that because I love the Third Strike soundtrack. I used to listen to it a ton. I haven't listened to it lately. But like in terms of like recent months, like in like at least 3 or 4 months ago, I was listening to the Third Strike soundtrack like a lot. But yeah, I actually, on my list of things to get back into, I used to have some decent, I mean, probably not as good as you for sure, but I used to be able to like take breaks and manipulate them at least to a point where I was like, I feel good about this, you know? And now I'm like, oh, I don't have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Like from before. Holy fuck. Oh my god. I forgot I had those on. Thank you for the 100 bits. Yeah. No, I don't. It's yeah. Holy fuck, dude. Thank you for the 100 bits on the screen. Yeah, this isn't... Actually, I hate this whole thing. Here's the holy fuck. I actually hate all of this. I'm just gonna stop. That's the full cycle. I'm like, okay, this is kind of neat, and then I'm like, nah. I'm like, that's nah. Okay, I'm actually gonna do one front to back. That makes me happy. Okay, I'll do a faster one. And then it's do this way fast. Sure. Yeah, that is the problem. You get stuck in the vibey loop. I used to have a good exercise where I would like make 8 bars and just like try to arrange it. That usually gets you out of the funk, but hold on, I'm gonna look up this chord progression that I keep forget. Not this one. Oh my god. I forgot I learned this one. Yeah, the indie J-Rock one, but there was one video that I really liked about it. I can't find it. Okay. I give up. I can't find it. I'm just gonna vibe it. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I'm just gonna vibe it. Not gonna work. Is this the video? I don't know if it's... This is a video I played through. Oh, I'm not... You can't see my shit. Okay. I actually play through this video a lot. It's really fun to play through, but this is not it. This is not it. It does have elements in it that I try to borrow. But that's not it. Okay. Find simple stuff. I try to practice like just picking the right sound. I feel like that matters a lot. And then here. Yeah, I don't worry. I do get tangled in the sauce. Streaming and making music is a good way not to get tangled in the sauce because you're like, wow, there are people watching me and you can't afford to be tangled in the sauce, to be honest. It'll be simple, I think. Redeems that make the chatters make the streamer start buffering and loading like a Fallout game. We've done stuff like that before. Like, here, let me show you. I can add this filter on my stream. I can add this filter on my stream that actually gives it low FPS. Where is it? It's right here. It was right here. Yeah, hold on. Like now, yeah, now everything looks really low filter and low FPS. And if I just adjust this value, it like yeah, it gets even worse. So that's very possible. And then I can turn on a pixelation or this one. Yeah, now I'm turning pixelation and now I look like I'm really buffering in. The fun thing would be if I actually was a 3D model and it like lowered the artifacts. Random tip or PNG. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's a good idea. Ooh. Have chatters replace the tip with chat. No, that's a good idea. That could be like a good starting soon screen. Actually, Redeem, where it's like it's a loading screen and then the chat, like there are different tips loading tips populating in the chat. That's actually a really good loading screen idea. Let's see what's going on here. What else can I have? Bells. Bells, we like bells. Slow bells. Arf, brass, synth. Am I crazy? I can't, bells. Monkey skulls. What? This does sound really commercial. I'm doing the am I doing the burial remix? Hold on. It's leading to something, don't worry. I'm just gonna press buttons here. See. Okay, so I want to try this. Okay, why I made this is I have this little toy that I got. Yeah, you're calling it hold music now, and then you're gonna be paying fucking $120 for the collector vinyl because it's like it's so rare and cool. Okay. I have this thing to fuck up the sample rate. Let me see if I can resample this. And I guess I maybe have to save it. I thought I would be explaining more, but I'm getting a little lost in the sauce a bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like basically I'm gonna like save this as an audio file. I'm gonna try to run it through this other sampler I have to make it sound worse. If you guys listen to hold music like this, I've never heard any hold music that's like this. This is like the imagined hold music, I think. You should say it's does this give you Persona vibes? Is that what you is that what you're trying to say? This song gives me vague Persona vibes. Thank you for the 100-bit scream. Persona is much more lively and up-tempo. Okay, so the annoying thing here is I want to drag this into here. It says file not found, right? But like it should be found. Let me try saving this. Thank you for the 5 gifted R&D. Wow. Thank you. GIF for spam. You don't need a GIF for spamming bits, but thank you. Thank you. We appreciate. You don't need to feel bad for paying money for the scream sounds. Okay. Thank you so much though for the 5 gifties. Bad for the viewers. Okay. The viewers, that is penance to the viewers. That is penance to the viewers. Okay. What am I saying with this? A slow beat LS. Okay, no, I just have to save the project. Okay, that will work. Okay, so this is neat. Is the knife thing broken? No, it shouldn't be. Oh, sometimes it does that. Sometimes it does that. Thank you for stopping by. Bye. Okay, so this is a cool little VST that like recreates an old sampler like from the 90s. And you can like actually fuck up the sample rate a bit, which is kind of neat. Propaganda Mexicana. Are you aware of this VST, the Amigo sampler? It looks kind of neat. Oh, I have to actually play the MIDI note, which is annoying. Yeah, so you can really fuck with the sample rate. I don't know how to use it well. Sample. Maybe slice? Actually, that's probably good. No, not trigger through. Oh, I see. It's difficult to control, but that's the point. Yeah. Like the thing is, Man, like the thing is, it's like it's almost really good. Oh, you can't, hold on, you didn't see my screen, I'm so sorry. Like the thing with this is that you could like, okay, so here's the sample rate manipulation that I'm doing. So here's how it sounds normally. But then, you know, you can God, make it literally stop. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, I guess, but if I can adjust the sample rate so it sounds worse. But then, you know what? I kind of have a plugin for this already. I have Lossy, which is good. It's not the same. It's not the same. Yeah, it's not the same at all. So like, what I was gonna say is it seems better for this. It seems better to just like resample it, right? Like, don't try to control it in this thing, like just use it to like print out the sound and then like manipulate it later. Oh shit. Yeah, it keeps playing, which is like, can you stop? I mean, like, what's the deal here? Yeah, it is hard to control. It is very hard to control. But it's good. Okay, so now I have this version that sounds messed up. I can get it to... Yeah, people can submit custom knives. Yeah, so this sounds good. Two channels are the same, let's say instrument, then you apply the effect only to one of the channels with an EQ cut, and the frequency you need in the other channel, keeping it clean. Oh, that makes sense too. Where does one submit a knife? You go to shindaggers.io and you can submit a knife there. This sounds good. This sounds good. Like, the Amigo sampler actually does have like a really good sample degradation sound. And I wonder if you cut this. I'm just experimenting with stuff right now. Nothing really crazy. Yeah, it's not working out really well. That is interesting. Okay, that is interesting. Hmm.
I've never seen a 113 and I never fucking will.
Oh shit. Jets, thank you for the raid. Oh no. Oh no. Oh lord. Here, we'll do a special. We'll do the raid alert. We'll do the raid alert. Hello, thank you for the raid. I hope you had a good stream. We are just big. We are like super chilling today. We are big super chilling today. And I was just messing around with this silly little sound effect here. Hold on. Oh my god, is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? I'm actually kind of scared. On. Okay. Please work.
Bringing your community here. Big things coming.
Oh fuck. Okay, no. Okay, I fucked it up. I see the issue. Hold on. I'm fixing it.
What were you all up to? Mods, can we get a shout out for Gian Famous? We are just reacting to this idiot streamer right now. If you need to hop off or get water, no worries. Thanks for bringing your community here. Big things coming.
Yes, thank you. Okay, we got half of it, but you know what? It's one of those nights we're gonna have to take half of it. We're gonna have to take half of it. Big things redeemed. Okay, you know what? Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. I'm gonna click this. And we're gonna do it one more time, and it's gonna work. Hold on. Click this. Click this. Click this. Click this. It's gonna work, or I'm gonna end stream.
Hey Gian Famous, thank you so much for that raid. What were you all up to? Mods, can we get a shout out for Gian Famous? We are just reacting to this idiot streamer right now. If you need to hop off or get water, no worries. Thanks for bringing your community here. Big things coming.
Yay, it worked. Yeah, usually I have that enabled. Yeah, just pretend that was the first thing that you saw. Just pretend that's the first thing you saw. But it and we didn't have to try that 2 or 3 times. Hello. Guys, welcome. Thank you so much for the raid. Like I said, we were just chilling. We've been grinding a ton of, like, you know, you probably have seen this stream. You probably have seen all this stuff happening on Twitter in the past few days. So I just needed a day where I wasn't listening to TTS for like 2 to 3 hours at a time. Right. So I just needed 1 day where I wasn't listening to TTS for like, 3 hours at a time with like, oh my God, let's go to McDonald's, please. Oh, I want to fuck my bug girlfriend. Oh my God, my bug wife is gonna be so mad I'm here. Blah, 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 blah. Well, bug, you're getting canceled on bug Twitter, bug Tinder, etc., etc. And I'm like, okay, fine. So I just need 1 day. Is that a TTS problem or chat? It's one and the same. It's one and the same. It's one and the same. So I just need 1 day where I'm chilling, and we actually got some interesting projects done. There were some new buttons from Sammy. So this is the program that I use to set up all of the redeems on my stream. So like this is a look into a sane person's mind. This is completely normal. If you did a psychiatric evaluation on these decks, you would find that they're completely normal. And today we checked out some new buttons that actually are pretty amazing, but I think only make sense if you use Sammy. Because like I literally earlier was looking at check if queued button, and I was like screaming my brains out because this is going to make my life so much easier if I can check what buttons are queued. And that's what we did for the first half. And then we messed around with like a redeem, which on accident, it would ban everyone who was chatting. It would time out everyone who was chatting because we were trying to figure out something with a timeout redeem. And then I accidentally set it so everybody would be timed out with that. But that's cool and fun. Is there an image size need for the knives? There's a template in the Discord if you join. You might need to be manually approved, but there's a template you can use there. And then we just landed on, I'm just like indulging myself and trying out some music stuff that I haven't had time for. And so this thing you might be interested in, this little thing can like downsample audio so it sounds like worse. So you can listen to it here. This is like a little quick tune that we made. Hold on, can you hear this? Okay, you can hear that. Wait, nope. Wait, what the fuck? Where is this? Can't hear shit. Yeah, exactly. What the heck? What the hell? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, you can hear this. Okay. Now you can hear it. Yeah, it sounds like waiting room music. Everyone's like, this sounds like doctor waiting room music. But then if I run it through this, this little funny looking thing. Oh, there's even palette editor. That's cool. Then it can sound worse like this. That's PS1 music. Yeah, I mean, it kind of emulates that. It kind of emulates that. Like, we have to compress the sound till it sounds fairly good. You made it better sounding. Yeah, people love the artifacts, the sound artifacts. But yeah, that's what we've been doing. Hold on. Let me start a new project for you guys. Let's do one more for fun before we'll sign you off with a fun little song. Amigo? Yeah, Amigo, dude. Are you in the Amigo meta? I can't use Amigo. Like I don't understand it deeply enough, or it's hard to use. For me, personally. But yeah, earlier we were messing around with like kind of 90s pad sounds, like these very fun Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Hold on. Oh. Oh. What the heck? Hold on, it's not like listening to my piano. Okay, what if I just... You haven't used Amigo in years, so you're not outdated. Are we talking about the same thing? Because Amigo just came out. Are you talking about like an actual Amiga sampler? Because Amigo is like an emulation that just came out like a month ago, I think. Break down the Jet song? Oh, we can do that. I've been meaning to do that, actually. We can do a bonus version of that. Okay, I was gonna do something else, but we can do that. Let's see here. I have to make sure I don't leak redacted. Okay, 1 second. I need to find it because it's been I did open it up recently, but I have another redacted open and I really can't show you redacted. That would be very not good. That would spoil the redacted. And like I'm not like yeah, and I don't want to even show you a little bit of redacted because then you're just gonna get too hyped up, I think. If I showed you like a little bit of the redacted, then you're gonna be like, oh, you're just hyping it up because it's like redacted. And it's like, no, I just need to not, you know. Hold on. I don't even want to talk about how messed up my file structure is. Oh my god, I need to fix this. It's fucked. I will find it. I will find out. It is in here. I make music way better when I'm not streaming, so I want to stream more and get better at making music on stream because I think it's fun, but it really is tough, especially when I do it late at night because you hard to make decisions. Okay, I'm just gonna search. Nope, it's not here. Oh wait, nope. It's called this? Nope. Okay, half the battle here is going to be fucking finding the project file. And we're gonna go over, guys, if you're here, we're gonna try to go find the file that is the opening song to Jet's stream. And I just need to find the project file. This is incredible. I can't find it. Okay, it's here. 2023. Oh, okay, you know, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Because it was made, oh my god, it was made January last year. I'm pretty sure it was made January last year. Okay, I'm gonna search. Okay, working on it. Windows search is insane. Am I ever gonna use the Family Guy model again? Yes. Yes, I am. Oh, you know what? I might have the wrong version open up. Windows search is awful, and yeah, I am very disorganized. Wait, 2022? What do I have stuff open in 2022? Okay. I need to open an older version, maybe. Maybe that will help. Maybe I'm praying. I am praying that it's there. Yeah, this is not a good situation. Well, I mean, it's a fine situation, but it's just a very disorganized situation. Okay. A program called Everything for searching for things. Oh. Okay, hold on. We may be cooking. We possibly might have it in the recent file folder. Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here. Holy shit. I found it. I almost gave up. I'm like, wait, it's not here, but it was at the very top. It's an Ableton 10 because I have 12 open right now, but Ableton 10 was the version I made it in. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, here we go. Oh, here's a big bass file at the end. That's for something different. We can ignore this one. Man, I haven't opened Ableton 10 in a minute. What is going on here? What do you want to know? This is the what is this? This is the virtual pilot project file, which it was named something different. I'm not very organized. I can go through it super quickly, but I do have to go in like 15 minutes. And you know what? I have to go in like 15 minutes, but like we'll do this quickly and then I will maybe coordinate something that's way more in depth, especially with redacted coming up. Okay. The chops go crazy? Not really. Cause like, okay, we'll start here. This is, I didn't even intend to make this as a part of, you know, I didn't even really intend to make this like a stream opening. I was just experimenting with stuff. Like what I did first, what was I doing? Why does that sound so awful? Hold on. Holy fuck, that's really loud. It does sound like the PlayStation boot up. Okay, what sorry, yeah, my brain is I'm turning it down super. Is it still loud? I'm turning it down crazy. Turning it down crazy. It's still loud? You're at a 2, this is low. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh, fuck. This little guy right here. Okay, what about now? Is that better? Too quiet? Okay, I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna go through this super quickly, and try to remember what I was thinking. But I remember I watched, okay, there's a YouTuber I was watching, I remember now. I should watch him again. His name is Julian Earl. He's like a techno producer. He's like a dark techno producer. I don't know, he makes really intense beats. But he did this, he like was going crazy on this like electronic music tutorial grind, and he had a really good one on like making pads from like basically layering pads. And it I guess this is kind of embarrassing in hindsight, but it was like literally a how to sound like sewer slut video. And I just want to say I watched a lot of it and that was just one of many. Okay, this is one of many, but the thing that stuck out to me in that video was like him just using a bunch of stuff to layer pads, which is, I think, an obvious thing. But I remember one day I was like, I want to focus on trying that. And so this is like layered. We put out a tutorial on 90s Jungle literally today. Let's go. Yeah, he was in my algorithm for a bit, and I think he fell out, and I should get him back in. So at the time I was really into this synth, the JD800. I think I just tried a bunch of different pads and I chose ones I liked. So this is Serum. This is a violin section that I chose for some reason. Oh yeah, this gives it its shine. I think something in Julian's video was like, make sure you pick something that makes the top end really shiny, and for some reason I did this with the violin. Yeah, the violin sounds good. And then this is a Max for Live device called Whistle. And I think I resampled, I don't know what this audio file is anymore, but I probably resampled some pad here. And Whistle is like a... I don't think you need this. It's just a toy. It's a toy for... It's a resonator. So like, I was just playing around with it at the time. I don't think this is like super important. What music programs is this? You mostly work with trackers? Well, first of all, bass and tracker build. This is Ableton. Do you work with what's it called? Is it called Renoise? Is that the desktop tracker? And so yeah, so this is just like monkey bashing keys on ethereal pads. Literally 2 chords. Defle Mask. Oh, I've never heard of that. Yeah, just trying to make something sound fancy. And then this part... Oh, what the heck? What? Oh, wait, hold on. I think I just put, like, these audio freezes. Yeah, I think I just froze the pads. I printed the pads and then like layered them with cymbals. So like I just took this and just froze them again. I just kept stacking it like crazy. Yeah, and then the crash is like from a Vengeance sample pack too. So this is like caveman hitting... This is just caveman stuff, like caveman hitting keyboard. And then what was this? Oh yeah, and the little like large beepy howls. These are... No. These are 303. Oh yeah, I remember, because I was listening to what was I listening to? I was listening to the Ghost in the Shell opening, and there's like a really chunky synth at the beginning of the Ghost in the Shell Inner Universe song, and I was trying to find it, and eventually I think I did find it, which was like a really low velocity 303. And for those of you who don't know, 303 makes like that, like this sound basically. Like it's really ravey 90s bass sound. And then so I kind of spammed that, and I run a lot of... I spammed that there. I spammed... What is this one? Oh yeah, this is like the... What is this one? What the heck? Why is it... Oh, because something is soloed up here. Oh, okay, no, this is like the beeping. Yeah, this is computer sounds. This is computer sounds, and like... I think what I did with computer sounds is like, basically in Serum, or anything that is, anything in Serum with basic shapes and turning the portamento super up as much as possible before it starts sounding really bad. Like, so this is where I found it would still sound like the note. If I turn it up way high, it would actually sound terrible. And then run it through the arpeggiator. And then so like it will just like go crazy with the slide sound. And then the bass is like just 2 notes, I think. I think the bass was just 2 notes, but I really like this bass from the JD800. And then this one was fun. Yeah, this is like some preset from... Yeah, this is like the bass preset on the Juno 106. And then... This is just the beginning. I don't think I can go through the whole song today, but like... Then the drums, I think I basically dragged and dropped them in. I think they're from like a Noisa sample pack. Oh, no. This is from a... So it's like layered. So like... It's not really chopped except for these parts. Yeah. It has these nice cymbals, like the cymbal sounds in there that make it sound like it's from a factory or something. But this is from a splice sample pack called like Metallic Jungle. And I just put it here, and then the bass break is like from a Noisa sample pack. And like, I just started with these, and then I never changed them because I'm like, I'll go back and change them. And I never changed them. But then the things I made sure I try to do is like make, yeah, to make little like chops like that for fun. I think they're just scattered here, or here. And I think what I did here was, their automation. There's some type of pitch automation here. Oh, no. Actually, it's even simpler. I don't even automate it. Like I chop each snare and then each one I like pitch up. Yeah, this one's pitched up by 2 semitones, and then this one's pitched up 7. Yeah, they just go up in pitch, which I like the sound of that. I think that's pretty straightforward. I don't know. There's... Oh, okay, yeah, there's just kicks in the middle here. Oh, and the end, like, I don't know. You know, when I watch the stream, I don't think it plays through the full song. It plays through a loop, right? So, I'm a fake fan. At the end, there's like a chill cooldown, and it's just the break, like, slow down half speed or whatever. Here, let me get more into it a little bit before I gotta dip, because I do gotta dip pretty soon. It's pretty straightforward. Oh, the little sine wave beeps. Yeah, I was like in my sine wave era. So this is not like this is not a lot of notes, but like basically what I was doing during this entire time is it's like a basic shape. Yeah, it's a triangle. Yeah, this is a triangle wave, right? It's a triangle wave. I thought this was a sine wave. Triangle wave, portamento, always on. So like if that is always on, okay, it's not like listening to my keyboard for some reason, but if that's always on, actually let me take it. Okay, I can play it with my keyboard. Right, so this is one key. Yeah, and like add a delay to it for extra stuff. Actually, let me turn off the delay. And the arpeggiator basically does the rest, right? Because if it's adding portamento to every note and you're spamming notes through the arpeggiator, then it like will naturally just like bring up a ton of that character. And then I automate the gate. I think I just like use my mouse to automate the gate as the thing was playing. Yeah, I didn't mess around with the rate. And then yeah, I just add a delay. Okay, yeah, so that's like all the computer noises you hear through the whole thing. What is this one? Oh yeah, this one was the trying to do the Ghost in the Shell noise, which I didn't really get. But yeah, I think this is like the 303 bass, but like the velocity is super. Because if I turn it up, you hear that laser noise, and I'm like, okay, I know what that laser noise is, but that's not what I'm going for. And everyone was telling me like, no, not everyone, but like this dude I asked in a Discord server was like, no, it's just a 303, it's just pitched all the way down. Or like it's very low. And it has the slide. The slide from the synth. Yeah. I think the hardest part though of making these songs that I'm trying to get better with is like actually doing different sections, because I'll write like 8 or 16 bars and then that's one part, and then like having it trying to naturally go into different parts is kind of tough. Oh yeah, this I put in like, oh yeah, fuck yeah, hold on, this is the last thing I'll share, which is this bridge with the guitar is like a cheesy. This is like the completely digital guitar. It's not supposed to sound realistic. It's supposed to sound like it's from a computer. And yeah, I like this part. Do I run it through anything? I don't even run it through an amp. It's just like purely from the sound source. Like, I try to run it through the Ableton amp Screamer. That is like too much. And I think there's some extra thing. It's supposed to sound very like MIDI. Oh yeah, this is part of the bridge. I think, okay, so the one thing, I gotta end it really soon, but I think the one thing I'll go deeper into next time is like, I try to set each like synthesizer track to have like either a portamento or some character to it that would change depending on the note played. So instead of like so what I mean is, instead of trying to manipulate the effect constantly, like turning up a delay or like turning up a knob, just by changing where the note is, that will add, or like adding, or like making notes overlap, that will make it have a more interesting effect versus like trying to edit the parameters a ton, right? Because like with the way that this is set up with the arpeggiator, like for example here, let me just like get out to the wilderness here. Okay, we'll play the sound. It will not play the sound for some reason. Wait, hold on. It's not playing. Wait, it's like the sound isn't even coming out. Wait, hold on. Can you guys, wait, you guys can hear it. No, you can't hear it. It's super quiet. So, oh, you know what? Okay. It's insanely quiet. Okay, that might be broken. Yeah, so in this case, like the difference between going from this one note, right? Like the character of the whole phrase changes just by adding this extra note, and I don't have to like draw extra stuff. Like the arpeggiator and the delay take care of everything. So like I think if I... Yeah, right, so I'm right here I'm holding down one note. Let me do it. Like that's just the arpeggiator like repeating the note, right? And then if I just add a second one, and like just move my finger up and down on the second one. Like the arpeggiator and then the portamento of the bass synth, like just take care of it, making it sound really good plus delay. So like I'm not trying to manipulate the effects and use automation as much. It's like I'm just using the note to manipulate it. Jedi Iwakura, that's an incredible series of emotes. Anyway, that's it. I mean, that's a really quick overview, but you actually... I should steal that. I should actually do a full breakdown of this, because that would be a good... That's a good stream idea. Do a full breakdown of the song. Look behind the curtain. Yeah, maybe, that gives me an idea. Yeah, that gives me an idea. Maybe we should do a full breakdown of the song. That would be cool. Draw a Kirkland hoodie for me? I'm good. I got a Kirkland hoodie on the 3D model, don't worry. That was cool thing. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. Yeah, that's a fun little after the jet stream surprise. No, I'll do a fuller one, and then maybe I can coordinate with Jets as so you guys can see it. Maybe I can record something and she can play it on her stream or something. We'll see. Okay. When's the McDonald's code coming? That's what I'm waiting. Don't worry, I'm being patient. Soon. Okay, I'm gonna send you guys off. I'm gonna send you guys off elsewhere. Thank you for stopping by for a little bit on the raid. That it's an incredible win. I know. I know. I'm very happy about that. Should I send you back to Australian streamer? Let's go to Cleo. From me. let's go. Thank you. Thank you guys for coming out. I know it was a very chill stream today, just me messing around with whatever I wanted to mess around with. I'll send you to Cleo. Keep it among the version streamers. The Vershion streamers, sorry. That's weird. It's weird to me it's pronounced that way. I always read it as version. All right, gamers, thank you. Take care. Yep. Big things coming soon. I'll see you all on Wednesday. My next stream is on Wednesday. Bye.